Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about a source code and the process of presenting the source code. Source code is very important to a programmer. Source code is the source of a computer program. It contains declarations, instructions, functions, and other statements which act as instructions for the program. A programmer can easily help another one providing the source code text files so that later he can edit the source file and use for his own project. That can ultimately help to carry on the development process. Now come to the point. I'm offering you source code widget that will allow you to present source code including the code of HTML, CSS, PHP and many more. This is source code widget. I will drag and drop the widget. After dragging and dropping, you can see the default design of source code. Go to select style. Along with default style, you will check dark, koi, funky, okaitia, tomorrow night and tonight style. Now I will respectively select all the style with default style. You just see the changes. In case if you want your visitor to copy the source code with one click, you have to enable copy button. And see the copy button on right side. Now come to select language controls. From here you can select the language of corresponding code. It can be Ruby, Perl, JSON, Java, Javadoc, Git. It can be HTML markup, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. In this source code field, you can paste the code of corresponding language that I mentioned in select language control. I'm cutting the code from source code field and see there is no code. This time I'm pasting and see code is back. Now come to style tab. In item sections you can just manipulate the height of source code. Hope you have enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.